नमस्कार दोस्तों एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं हूँ वेद और आज हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं सीजन 8 ऑफ गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स। वी आर फाइनली रीच्ड। और बहुत लोगों ने बोला कि सीजन 8 मत देखो, बहुत बुरा है वगैरह वगैरह, लेकिन बहुत सारे लोगों ने ये भी बोला है, मतलब बहुत सारे नहीं, कम जनता है वो जिन्होंने ये भी कहा है कि नहीं देखो, हमें तो अच्छा लगा, एवरीथिंग कम्स टुगेदर। एंड जहाँ तक मुझे अभी लग रहा है, आई थिंक आई ऑल्सो लाइक सीजन 8 बिकॉज मेनी पीपल हैड सेड दैट आफ्टर सीजन 6 7 will be very bad, but honestly after season 6, like season 6 and 7 would be my top most favorite seasons of Game of Thrones. So let's start with season 8 and here we go. बॉल टूटी हुई है, लग रहा है कुछ बहुत नया सा स्टार्ट हो रहा है। ड्रैगन देखने जा रहा है बच्चा, और आर्या बच्चे को ऐसे क्यों देख रही है? अनसली डार में आर्या पूरी। साथ में आ जाता है एक हॉर्स पे। जॉन और आर्या मिलने वाले हैं। हाउंड और आर्या मिलेंगे। गेंड्री आर्या के सारे वेलविशर्स आ गए। क्रेजी है, तब तो फोन वोन भी कुछ भी नहीं होता था।
You should consider yourself lucky. At least your balls won't freeze off.
You take great offense at door jokes, but love telling unit jokes.
Why is that? Because I have balls, and you don't.
इसके बाद भी तो हाइट है, वो बोल रहा है कुछ। हिपोक्रेट है ना हमारा टीरियन
I
में।
warned you. Northerners don't watch trust outsiders.
आर्या ने पहली बार देखा, आर्या खुश हो गई। जैसे मैं हैमलीज देख के खुश हो रही थी, आर्या की वैसी स्माइल आई। आर्या भी कितनी बड़ी हो जाए, वो छोटी सी रहेगी। सैंसा ने भी पहली बार देखे ड्रैगन। कितना क्रेजी लगता होगा यार। Daenerys is so nice. She didn't get like bummed about losing a dragon. She was like, he went for a reason. यहीं पर रैम्सी को मारा था। ब्रायन और जॉन मिलेंगे। आर्या देखो बाहर ही थी। आई लव आर्या भाई। जब भी दो स्टार्क मिलते हैं मेरा दिल बाहर आ जाता है।
You're a man.
Almost.
कह रहा है यार इतना लाइफलेस कैसे सांसा करिए, ऐसा ही है वो।
Where are you?
Lurking somewhere.
Queen Daenerys of House Targaryen. My sister, Sansa Stark, the Lady of Winterfell.
Thank you for inviting us into your home, Lady Stark. The North is as beautiful as your brother claimed. As are you.
Winterfell is yours, Your Grace.
We don't have time for all this. The Night King has your dragon. He's one of them now. The wall has fallen. The dead march south.
वो कह रही है हाँ ये ऐसा है।
As soon as we heard about the wall, I called all our banners to retreat to Winterfell. Lord Umber, when can we expect your people to arrive?
We need more horses and wagons, if it please, my lady. And my lord. And my queen. Sorry.
You'll have as many as we can spare. Hurry back to Last Hearth and bring your people here.
We need to send ravens to the Night's Watch as well. There's no sense in manning the castles anymore. We make our stand here.
As once, Your Grace.
Your Grace. But you're not, are you? You left Winterfell a king and came back a... I'm not sure what you are now. A lord? Nothing at all?
It's not important.
Not important? We named you King in the North.
You did, my lady. It was the honor of my life. I'll always be grateful for your faith. But when I left Winterfell, I told you we need allies or we will die. I have brought those allies home to fight alongside us. I had a choice. Keep my crown or protect the North. I chose the North.
If anyone survives the war to come, we'll have Jon Snow to thank. He risked his life to show us the threat is real. Thanks to his courage, we have brought with us the greatest army the world has ever seen. We have brought 2 full-grown dragons. And soon the Lannister army will ride north to join our cause. I know, our people haven't been friends in the past. But we must fight together now. Or die.
May I ask, how are we meant to feed the greatest army the world has ever seen? While I ensured our stores would last through winter, I didn't account for Dothraki Unsullied and 2 full-grown dragons. What do dragons eat, anyway?
Whatever they want.
टेंशन हो गई हवा में बहुत भयंकर।
Very careful, lads.
Read every last bit of it.
ड्रैगन ग्लास.
Are these the last of the wagons?
टिरियन और सैंसा की बात नहीं हुई है यार. एक्सेस. इनकी तो मैरिज भी एनल नहीं हुई है, तो ये पति पत्नी है.
Hello? My lady?
मुझे जरा अपने पति से अकेले में बात करनी दीजिए.
The Lady of Winterfell. That's a nice ring to it.
So does Hand of the Queen. Depending on the Queen, I suppose.
Last time we spoke was at Joffrey's wedding. Miserable affair.
Had its moments. Apologies for leaving like that.
Yes, it was a bit hard to explain why my wife fled moments after the king's murder.
We both survived.
Many underestimated you. Most of them are dead now. I'm sure you weren't thrilled to hear the Lannister armies marching north. You have every right to be fearful of my sister. No one fears her more than I do, but I promise you'll be
Cersei
safe.
told you her army was coming north to fight for you,
She did.
सैंसा कहेगी bullshit.
and you believed her.
She has something to live for now. I believe she wants to survive.
I used to think you were the cleverest man alive.
सैंसा तो समझदार हो गया यार, जब से उसने पीटर को पुश पुश किया है ना, मान गए सैंसा. आर्या और जॉन को मिलवा दो यार.
You used to be taller.
जो मांगती हो जाता है.
How did you sneak up on me?
How did you survive a knife through the heart?
I didn't. You still have it.
Needle.
Have you ever used it?
A lot.
Once or twice.
दो स्टार्क मिलते हैं, दिल का दरिया बह जाता है.
Valyrian steel.
Jealous?
Too heavy for me.
Where were you before? I could have used your help with Sansa.
She doesn't like your queen, does she?
Sansa thinks she's smarter than everyone.
She's the smartest person I've ever met.
But you're defending her. You.
I'm defending our family. So is she.
I'm a family too.
Don't forget that.
कजिन्स तो है. बुआ का लड़का मामा के लड़के की जोड़ी तो मस्ती होती है. मेरा ही बुआ के लड़के से मेरी बहुत बनती है. रीलें बनाती रहती हूँ उसके साथ.
Your Grace, I'm afraid I bring terrible news. The dead have broken through the wall.
भाई Cersei is such a bitch. बैड न्यूज पे गुड बोला है भाई बहन ने। बहन की ही है हमारी बहन, गालियाँ नहीं देते बच्चों। अटेंडेंस लगा दी सारे बच्चों ने। यूरोन तो मुझे बहुत ही घटिया लगता है यार।
Why don't you just get it over with and kill me?
But we're family. The last Greyjoys left in the world. The last ones with balls, anyway. If I kill you, who can I talk to? I got a crew full of mutes. They get lonely at sea.
Are we in King's Landing? You picked the losing side.
Then I'll sail the Iron Fleet somewhere else.
ये तो है ही पिकाऊ, थाली का बैंगन है।
But first, I'm gonna fuck the Queen.
यारा कुछ कर दे यारा, यारा कुछ कर दे यारा।
A few died in transit.
They cheated at dice. Or maybe I cheated. Someone cheated. They weren't good fighters, you won't miss them.
Horses
2,000.
and elephants.
No elephants, Your Grace.
That's disappointing. I was told the Golden Company had elephants.
They are excellent beasts, Your Grace, but not well suited to long sea voyages.
In any event, you are most welcome here in King's Landing, Captain Strickland.
We look forward to fighting on your behalf, Your Grace.
Am I most welcome here?
You are a true friend of the Crown and an honored guest.
Good. As a true friend and an honored guest. I was hoping we could talk in private.
After the war, that was our agreement.
Wars sometimes last years.
You want a whore, buy one. You want a queen, earn her.
Earn her.
How? I've given her justice, an army, and the Iron Fleet. Yet she gives me no sign of affection. My heart is nearly broken.
You're insolent. I've executed men for less.
They were lesser men.
Is she calling him? Did she call him in? Did she
I hear the
really?
dragon burnt up 1,000 Lannister men.
Burnt up some of my favourite boys.
Archie.
If it's a Dragon Queen she's after,
She has other plans for the Targaryen girl.
yeah, well, good luck with that.
Our queen's brothers are unlikely to survive their northern adventures, but in the event that they do, she has a keen sense of poetic justice.
Tyrion को मारने के
That
लिए.
fucking family.
When the Citadel expelled me, I thought I would die poor and alone. But in exchange for my service, Queen Cersei made me her hand. What will she do for the man who rids her of her treasonous brothers?
दोनों को मारने के लिए बोल दिया। सर्सी जेमी के अगेंस्ट भी हो गई है, तब मारा क्यों नहीं? बट सर्सी ने बोल दिया ना, माउंटेन ने मारा क्यों नहीं जेमी को?
I wanted those elephants.
She fucked with Euron.
So,
And she's pregnant with Jaime's child. Oh, she's such a bitch.
King,
You're insulting my late husband.
are you offended?
Robert had a different whore every night. But he still didn't know his way around a woman's body.
And the Kingslayer?
You enjoy risking your neck, don't you?
Life is boring.
You're not boring. I'll give you that.
सर्सी तो बहुत ज्यादा गिरी हुई है यार। प्लीज सर्सी मर जाए। मैंने पिछले एपिसोड बोला था ना, पीटर मर जाए, पीटर मर गया। सर्सी मर जाए, अब सर्सी मार दो। मैं जो बोलूंगी ऐसा होगा।
Do I please the Queen?
You might be the most arrogant man I've ever met.
इसको रेड फ्लैग्स ही पसंद आते हैं।
I like that.
सर्सी इज लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ माय फीमेल फ्रेंड्स, रेड फ्लैग्स के पीछे भाग रही है इतनी देरी से, गुज 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 गुज।
I'm going to put a prince in your belly.
इसको बोल दे कि तेरा ही है और वो किंग बनेगा। देखो देखो देखो, यही सोच रही है वो। सबको यही तो बोलती है ये। वो रॉबर्ट भी तो बेचारा यही सोचता है, मर गया। रॉबर्ट का गेंड्री तो ऐसे ही हवा में रह गया बेचारा। उनको पापा का घर पसंद नहीं आया, मम्मी का घर ही पसंद है। पापा मम्मी भी हैं, बुआ भांजा भी हैं, सारे ही ऐसे रोल्स प्ले कर देते हैं। वो पापा भी चढ़ेंगे क्या ड्रैगन पे?
Go on.
I don't know how to ride a dragon.
Nobody does.
कभी
until
कभी
they ride
जॉन
a
की
dragon.
आवाज उसकी बॉडी को मैच नहीं करती।
What if he doesn't want me to?
Then I've enjoyed your company, Jon Snow.
चढ़ गया भाई वो। बोला था टारगेरियन है यार। सो सुंदर यार, हैरी पॉटर की याद सी आ गई। कितने बढ़िया वीएफएक्स है।
You've completely ruined horses.
आदि पुरुष की याद आ गई। I can sense a kiss on this.
Don't be afraid.
बच्चे हैं हमारे, डरो ना तुमसे। कह रहे मन मम्मी के साथ क्या कर रहा है तू? यार हाउंड और आर्या का एक जप्पी तो बनती है, एकदम से इमोशन चेंज होके एकदम एक जप्पी तो बनती है यार। Would that be too much? पापा बेटी हो
You're a
यार
cold
तुम।
little bitch, aren't you? Guess that's why you're still alive.
But that's their relationship. I get it.
That was a nice axe you made for him. You've gotten better.
Yeah, thanks. So have you?
वो थोड़ी बनाती है।
I mean, you look good.
Thanks. So do you.
मैंने कहा था इनकी वाइफ है, कोई मानता नहीं है मेरी बात ज्यादा। है उन दोनों
Place
की
to
वाइफ।
rope if it wasn't so cold.
पहले भी सबने कहा था नहीं वो बहुत बड़ा है, मुझे तो
Stay
लगती है
close to
दोनों
that
की
forge
वाइफ।
then.
Yeah, is that a command, Lady Stark?
Don't call me that.
As you wish, lady.
पहले भी यही करता था ये। हाँ, हंसी तो फंसी।
Did you bend the knee to save the North? Or because you love her?
No, he did that because he believes in her, and that's why he loves her. And he loves her because he knows कि वो एक अच्छी queen है और एक अच्छी queen बनेगी, right? Jon Snow is not stupid. Oh, ये सैमुअल को थैंक यू बोलने आए होंगे. But इसने सैमुअल की फैमिली को मारा है. सैमुअल doesn't know yet.
So you're the man.
बेचारा पढ़ता रहता है यार.
Which man am I, Your Grace?
The one who saved Ser Jorah when no one else could.
They could. They just wouldn't.
I'll have to make some changes in the Citadel when I take my throne. A great service merits a great reward.
Oh, it's my honor to serve you, Your Grace.
Well, there must be something I could give you.
If it's not too much trouble, I could use a pardon.
For what crime?
I borrowed a few books from the Citadel.
ये तो ऐसी बात हो गई. खाना मत खाना.
Also a
नमक है
sword
ज़्यादा.
From the Citadel?
from my family. It's been in House Tarly for generations, so it would have been mine anyway, eventually. But my father had other ideas.
Not Randall Tully.
You know him?
I offered to let him retain his lands and titles if he bent the knee. He refused.
At least I'll be allowed home again, now that my brother's the Lord.
Your brother stood with your father.
Thank you, Your Grace,
Start twitching.
for telling me. May I?
Of course.
You saw somebody? No? John? No. Bran. But he didn't see Bran though. ऐसे क्यों बैठा है वो? Does he know कि उसको ही पता चला है?
What are you doing out here?
Waiting for an old friend. It's time to tell John the truth.
Which old friend will tell John the truth?
You're his brother.
Brother नहीं है तो
Now's
cousin
the
तो है.
time.
उसको नेड स्टार्क के प्रेजेंस में पता चलेगा कि वो उसके पापा नहीं है. क्रेजी होने वाला है. जॉन बिलीव कैसे करेगा? वो क्या है? प्रूफ क्या है?
Son, I'm
सैम गिर
sorry.
गया वहाँ पे.
I know I'm not supposed to be down here. Were you hiding from me?
Of course not.
What are you doing in Winterfell?
अच्छा
Or did you read every book in the Citadel already?
जॉन को पता ही नहीं था.
What's wrong? Gilly? She alright? She's good. Little son? Don't you know? Know what? Daenerys. She executed my father and brother.
Does John know?
They were prisoners. She didn't tell you. I'm so sorry. We need to end this war.
Would you have done it?
I executed men who disobeyed me.
You've also spared men.
वो नहीं करता.
Thousands of wildlings when they refused to kneel.
I wasn't a king.
But you were. You've always been.
I gave up my crown, Sam. I bent the knee. I'm not king in the north anymore.
I'm not talking about the king in the north. I'm talking about the king of the bloody Seven Kingdoms. Bran and I worked it out. I had a high sepsis.
Said it.
Bran had whatever Bran has.
What are you talking about?
Your mother was Lyanna Stark. And your father, your real father, was Rhaegar Targaryen. You've never been a bastard. You're Aegon Targaryen, true heir to the Iron Throne.
Finally, it's out.
I'm sorry. I know it's a lot to take.
कितने अच्छे से डिलीवर कर दिया सैम ने.
My father was the most honorable man I ever met. You said he lied to me all my life.
Your father, Ned Stark, he promised your mother he'd always protect you. And he did. Robert would have murdered you if he knew. You're the true king. Aegon Targaryen, 6th of his name, protector of the realm, all of it.
बट जॉन नहीं भागेगा थ्रोन के पीछे. अभी तो उसको यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा है.
Daenerys is our queen.
She shouldn't be.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं अभी ये सुन के. अभी तो अब्सॉर्ब करके क्या
It's
हुआ.
treason.
It's the truth.
He really loves Daenerys.
You gave up your crown to save your people. Would she do the same?
She wouldn't. उसको थोड़ा नशा ज्यादा है. ये कौन सी वाली जगह है? ये कौन सा सिजिल है?
It's a message
वही बच्चा
from the Night King.
जो निकला था वहां से अपनी आदि
His
लाने.
armies between us and Winterfell. We're on foot.
We rode down from Castle Black. We can double up on the horses.
If the horses last, we'll get there before the den.
उसकी ब्लू आइज हो गई
Just
है.
have to hope the Night
वाइट
King
वॉकर बन
doesn't
गई है. मैं वही सोच रही थी कि वो व्हाइट वॉकर कैसे नहीं बना. अगर उसको व्हाइट वॉकर ने मारा है तो वो लोग यहाँ तक पहुँच गए हैं. एनी मोमेंट देयर विल बी एट विंटरफेल. साइन है ना वो उनका. और वो पीसेस क्या थे? बॉडी पार्ट्स ही थे. Who is this now? Sir Bronn to kill Tyrion. वो लेकर आ रहे हैं ना क्रॉसबो टिरियन को मारने के लिए और जेमी को मारने के लिए. बट जेमी हमें नहीं पता कहाँ है. टिरियन हमें पता यही है. और but it's not Sir Bronn. Jamie! And he looks so handsome. Aging like fine wine. Jamie is in Winterfell. Brienne? नहीं. Bran, not Brienne. I'm waiting for an old friend. The things I do for love. goosebumps over here. I'm waiting for an old friend. ये तो सबसे खास friend है ब्रांड का. But अब ब्रांड being the three-eyed raven, उसको पता है कि वो three-eyed raven बनने के लिए ही ऐसा हुआ, तो जो हुआ वो हुआ. So will he be hating those experiences and hating the person behind it? I don't think so. Because he is not Bran Stark. He's thinking very objectively like the three-eyed raven. But JB इधर आ गया. Will Jaime be against Cersei अब? ये वापस ना चला जाए. वो एकदम वैसा लगता है जैसे पीछे टॉक्सिक एक्सेस होते हैं, बट उनके पार्टनर फिर उनके पास चले जाते हैं. हमें लगता है अब तो पक्का ब्रेकअप हो गया, बट वो फिर उनके पास चले जाते हैं. जेमी वैसा ही ना करते Cersei के साथ, फिर वापस Cersei के पास चला जाए. मतलब अब हद हो गई है. अब तो Cersei ने जेमी को मरवाने के लिए भेज दिया भाई. एंड काइबोन एंड माउंटेन के साथ जो उसने पूरा पैक बना लिया, एकदम वो पैक बन के चलते हैं. और यूरोन भी आ गया. दे लाइक दो बच्चे जो गंदे से होते हैं, जो बचपन में बच्चों का एक गंदे बच्चों का ग्रुप बन जाता था, जिसमें वो सबसे टॉपर बच्चा भी रख लेते थे, एक समझदार, एक थोड़ा हट्टा कट्टा रखा था, कि दे बिकम अनब्रेकेबल. लीस्ट फेवरेट कैरेक्टर इज Cersei. मोस्ट फेवरेट ऑल ऑफ दीज नाइस पीपल. हम किसी एक को नहीं देंगे, हम सबको देंगे, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम जॉन, आर्या, सैंसा, टिरियन, डिनेरिस को भी दे देंगे. ऑल्दो वो थोड़ी सी एरोगेंट है अबाउट हर बीइंग द क्वीन, बट ठीक है, शी इज वेरी नाइस, शी हैज डन वेरी गुड थिंग्स. डिनेरिस, Bran, Varys, Jorah, Davos, Lyanna Mormont, Tormund, हमारे लॉर्ड कमांडर जो वहाँ पे, उनका नाम भूल गई हूँ मैं. Have I covered everybody? Theon, Yara. I've covered almost everybody, right? कोई मिस करी हो तो बताना, जो सबसे बढ़िया कैरेक्टर्स हैं. जेमी भी आएगा यार इनमें, जेमी भी आएगा. जेमी ऑल्सो, उसने बोला कि नहीं हमें लड़ना चाहिए, जेमी. एंड मोस्ट WTS scene was the last one, of course, Jaime seeing Bran. Most amazing scene was Jon Snow getting to know that he's Aegon Targaryen. I want to know more of it. I want to see more of it. वो दिखाएंगे, right? क्योंकि अभी तो जॉन को सब जॉब ही नहीं हुआ, उसने पर बता दिया. तो लेट्स सी रिएक्शंस क्या होते हैं. अब मेरे को अपने रिएक्शन में उनका रिएक्शन देखना है, उस पर रिएक्शन देना है. रिएक्शन पे रिएक्शन पे रिएक्शन पे रिएक्शन चलता रहेगा ऐसी चेन. ओके भाई, भूख लग रही है, डिनर करना है. सी यू टुमारो, सेम टाइम सेम जगह, 6 बजे ऑन YouTube एकदम. बाय बाय गाइस, सी यू.